We meet again on today's show, IQ19. So, we have new tools from the future, which I think some kind of Handsaw. Last night, I picked a winner from yesterday's contest, which I have posted on Instagram. So please welcome Seri Kayangan Indah Mahkota Break!
Mom, you can be proud of me now. I'm a YouTuber like Belahan.
Alright. As it's only 4-minute long show, we need to do this real quick, okay, girl?
Really? Only 4 minutes? Never mind, I'm still a YouTuber, okay?
Alright. So, do you have any idea what is this?
This thing? I'm not sure, but my mom told me that I am clever, but that was back then. But I think this is maybe a handsaw.
So, there's a few parts which is handle to grip by the user to move the saw back and forth in order to cut it. Then we have the teeth here to penetrate the material when cutting. And then we have the blade, has a number of sharp teeth running along its body.
2, 3.
Oh wow, is it like that?
Yes!
Oh, I see.
You see, right? Wow! This thing is so interesting. Can I use it to cut a cake?
Good. No, it was not a toy. It's a dangerous way to use. It is used for cutting the wood into pieces, okay?
Okay, now I know. But where can I get this thing?
You can get this handsaw for a reasonable price and affordable price in DIY or hardware store. But you can also buy it online at Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora. Okay?
Okay. Miss, can I guess the weight and the length for the handsaw?
Yeah,
I
sure.
think the length may be 15 inch and the weight maybe 2.25 pounds. Is it right?
Wow, you're such a good predictor. But I hope the show can be long enough for us to talk more.
Okay.
Because we have reached the end of the show.
So
So
sad.
that's all guys for today. Till we meet again. Bye!
Hey! I have something. Can I bring this home?
You can, but you have to buy it first.
Alright, I've got money now.
Alright, thank you. You can take it home.
Bye!